Deep conditioning, unlocking healthier hair. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used term in the world of hair care: deep conditioning. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about hair care terminology, this video is for you. Let's explore what deep conditioning really means, its importance, and how it's used in everyday language. Stay tuned to learn more. Deep conditioning refers to a hair care treatment that goes beyond the surface level to nourish and repair hair. Unlike regular conditioning, which is part of your daily hair care routine, deep conditioning is more intensive. It usually involves applying a thick conditioner that penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, providing extra moisture and nutrients. This process helps in repairing damaged hair, making it stronger, softer, and more manageable. Deep conditioning is especially beneficial for dry, damaged, or curly hair, as it helps to restore the hair's natural health and shine. In the world of beauty and grooming, specific phrases like deep conditioning are commonly used. Understanding these terms can be incredibly helpful, especially if you are learning English or interested in hair care. This term is often found in hair care product descriptions, salon services, and beauty blogs. When someone says they're going for a deep conditioning treatment, they mean they are treating their hair to an intensive moisturizing session, which is more thorough than just using regular conditioner. To help you understand how to use deep conditioning in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. I deep condition my hair once a week to keep it healthy. 2. This salon offers an excellent deep conditioning service for damaged hair. 3. Can you recommend a good deep conditioning mask for curly hair? In each of these sentences, deep conditioning is used to describe a process or a type of hair care product designed for intensive hair treatment. We hope this video has been enlightening in understanding the term deep conditioning. It's more than just a fancy phrase. It's a crucial part of maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. Whether you're discussing hair care in English or deciding on your next hair treatment, knowing about deep conditioning can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language and lifestyle tips.